There are 15 children in our family, and I'm the oldest of the 15. And my mother spent a lot of time raising the kids. As they got older, then she started to daycare, and she daycared some community members' children, also her own grandchildren along the way. When the youngest daughter then graduated from high school, she stopped daycaring and started to volunteer, and had a volunteer opportunity almost every day, Monday through Friday. When she passed away, we were thinking about how do we honor her memory, and came up with the idea, well, let's do a volunteer project. My mom's first name was Florence Throndsdon, and she got to be known through the community as Flo. So that's where the name came from, Project Flo. That's what started it, and from that time it's gained momentum. Last year was our 10-year anniversary. There's been multiple houses that we've done. The unskilled stuff we're very good at. Paint the outside, put flooring down, but the more skilled labor we have, fortunately in our family, we have 2 contractors that help us out. Last year we had, if you count the food crews, if you count the people that worked for a day or so, we had, I think, close to 80 people that were on the project. And about the same as last year also. And it's just now, it's become not just family members, it's become community members, it becomes friends of the family members. We have people who we've done their houses before, they come to help out for a day or so along the way. So it's turned out to be, for that week, it's turned out to be a very good community project, besides a family project, as well as it's turned out to be a very good family reunion for us. But she's always looked to serve other people, and we're hoping that continues on through the family.